Friends, welcome to Knowledge Sharing. So today I'm going to talk about the hours conversion. Okay, so if you are thinking about the clock or you can say watch, we have different type of units or in a watch also a time, basically time, duration, you can say days, year, weeks, month, second, minute, hours. So there is a lot of things are involved. If you talk about the watch or you can say clock, we have three major standard where we are measuring the time. First is called as a second, minute, and hour. And then if you're talking about the days basically, so we have day, week, year, and then and so on. So these are the duration or measurements point or units which help us to unit or measure the days. Okay. So I am going to start from the second. You remember this the you can there's a lot of smallest unit, but if you say in a general term, whenever we are talking and we are measuring the time, we always start from the second. Okay, hour, minute, and second. So if you see 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. So whenever a clock completes 60 seconds, that turns to a 1 minute. Okay, so this is the conversion or you can say equivalent value. Okay, so 1 second, and then if it is a 60 second, that means it is equal to 1 minute. Similarly, if 60 minute is completed, 60 minute once 60 minute is completed, that is equal to 1 hour. So whenever 60 minute is completed in our clock, that turn to be a 1 hour. Similarly, if 24 hours completed, okay, so whenever 24 hours completed, that is called as a one entire day. So one day that include day and night. So 24 hours is equal to one day. Whenever anyone is asking how many hours are there in one day, then we have to say 24 hours. If anyone is saying how many seconds are there in 1 minute, then we will say it is a 60 second. How many minutes are there in 1 hour? That means we will say it is a 60 minutes. Okay, now 7 days. 7 days combining is equal to 1 week. Whenever anyone is asking how many days are there in a 1 week, that time we will say it is a 7 days. Okay, and in a year, if you see in a year we have 52 weeks. Okay, so that is 52 weeks. If anyone is asking how many weeks are there in a year, that means 52 weeks. How many days are there in a year? Okay, 365 days. Okay, so in a year we are having 365 days. Okay, hope you are understanding the concept. If you say 10 years, every 10 years is called as a decade. Okay, so 10 year is equal to decade. 100 years is equal to century. So 100 years we will call as a century. And 1000 year is called as a millennium. Okay, so these last three points are also very important. 10 year is equal to decade, 100 years is equal to century, and 1000 years is equal to millennium. Hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family member. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Have a nice day.